be gentle. Don't fucking shank it. This isn't prison, okay? We're not in Oz.
Stick's not gonna be long enough. Oh.
Okay, it moved.
Come on, dude.
Okay,
no.
Yeah, it's some sort of bird. It's some sort of big ass bird.
Damn it, he's
But I told you not. You see that rock right there? That's the rock you threw down there.
I fucking popped him, didn't I? That
Yeah.
means there's a little fucking cavity in there.
What is this? What are you, a dentist? Is there a root canal down there too?
Oh shit.
All right. White people doing white people shit.
Yeah.
This is why white people die all the time.
Yeah. Also, true. Oh yeah, there's a fucking cavity back there. Ugh, it stinks down here.
I'm sure it does. Well, I smell it a little too.
You fucking reek, little birdie.